So anyway, let me now wind up. A few years ago, I spoke at the Einstein Centennial, a great honor, but my favorite Einstein joke is as follows. When Einstein was an old man, he was tired of giving the same talk over and over again. So one day his chauffeur came up to him and he said, "Professor, I'm a chauffeur, but I'm actually a part-time actor. I've memorized your talk. I've heard it so often. I've memorized it. So why don't we switch places? I will put on a mustache and a wig, and I'll be the great Einstein, and you can be my chauffeur and take a break." Well, Einstein loved the joke, so they switched places. So the chauffeur gave these talks all over the world, these fantastic talks with all the theatrical flourishes. Well, one day, a mathematician in the back asked a very difficult question. And then Einstein thought, oh, the game is up. But then the chauffeur said, "That question is so elementary that even my chauffeur here can answer it for you." Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.